If you have a big company and you want to add access to this application to some manager that where you don't want to share access, for example, with pages bot setup and bot IE and IE setup, where you have some private credentials for your application for your bots, you can create just new role for this user, and this user will log in on this application but see just pages that you allow to find to this user. Let's do it together. All you need is create some role, for example, manager, press create button, press select this role from table and go to add permission to role. And then you can choose to which pages this role will have access. For example, for dashboard, training, user chats. And that's all. And maybe also for demo. Press submit button, and that's all from admin role page. To find this page on the menu, you need to go to the admin pages, open it at admin roles. After you have already created this role, you can go and create some user. For example, user, you can select some role. Admin will have permissions like you have because first role is admin, and we select some manager role. Press create user, and after that we can log in as a new user. So I open the same application on the new window. There I have URL starting like this, and on this page I have the same, and let's log in. And that's my application, where on menu I have just 4 pages: dashboard, training, user chats, and demo page. That's permission that I give to this role on this page. That's all is there. So I can't see AI setup or bot setup pages where I have my credentials. I can find on the menu just dashboard, training, user chat, and demo that I give on the admin role page. So that's really easy to create some new roles on this application and share access to make your bot perfect.